Creating deliverables doesn't just help open or maintain communication between the designer and the client. They can also act as billing markers. Once a deliverable has been submitted and approved, it marks a point where the project can move forward, and because you've supplied a tangible product, it's a great point at which to submit an interim invoice and keep that cash flow flowing. As websites and other applications increase in complexity, it's critical to make sure that everyone understands the flow and function of the project being built before the project enters the design or coding stages. Now, Wireframe gives you the chance to test out functionality without worrying about all the pretty stuff. Some visual items might be addressed in the wireframe, such as the location of navigation, but a wireframe itself is not meant to get into the nitty-gritty of design, such as color choices and imagery. Once a wireframe has been completed, and you will have your chance in Lesson 2, don't worry, exporting it as a PDF is an excellent way to get the wireframe into your client's hands for review. In the wireframe sample in the Chapter 1 folder, the navigation area has already been made interactive by using rectangular hotspots. You can see over here on the screen these light blue rectangles. These are all interactive web objects. They're hotspots. And if I click on one of these, you take a look down the Properties panel, you'll see there's a link to a very specific web page, in this case, toursmain.htm. Ties in directly with the pages we have in our Pages panel. In fact, there is Tours Main as a page. I can click there and you can see what that's going to look like. So all the interactivity has been added for us. All I want to do at this point is be able to share a PDF with the client. And it's a pretty easy process. We'll be going through it in much more detail down the road, but I just want to show you the end result after I've exported it as a PDF file. Here we go. Inside of Acrobat Reader, this is our PDF file. And you can see as I move my mouse over the different navigational elements, get the little pointy finger icon, I can click on these and I actually go to the pages that are part of that navigational structure. So I can see all the different proposed elements of the wireframe. Now, once the PDF's been created, you can email it off to the client. They can open it up in Acrobat Reader and go through it. But as the designer, if you have a copy of Acrobat Pro handy, you can actually open up the PDF in Acrobat Pro first and enable commenting so that the client can not only look at the pages, but they can put direct feedback on the pages, which gives you, again, a chance to keep that communication going between you and the client. And by the way, while I've used a wireframe for my example, there's nothing stopping you from generating a PDF full of storyboards or logo ideas or just general design concepts.